What makes a leader truly respected? If you ask 10 people, you'll get 10 different answers: vision, charisma, maybe even sheer force of will. But history tells me it's a lot deeper than that. Let's rewind. Think about Abraham Lincoln. He led through empathy, always listening, always learning. His respect didn't come from power, but from showing he cared about every voice in the room. Now look at Nelson Mandela. He turned forgiveness into a strategy, uniting a divided country not by force, but by example. These leaders weren't just bosses, they were builders of trust. And then, there's the psychology. Studies show that we naturally follow people who project confidence, but not arrogance. It's that balance between humility and certainty that draws people in. A great leader admits what they don't know and gives credit where it's due. That's what earns respect, not just obedience. But leadership isn't one size fits all. Steve Jobs was demanding, pushing people beyond their limits, and his passion was contagious. Meanwhile, someone like Jacinda Ardern led New Zealand with compassion, proving you can be both strong and kind. What's common among all these leaders? Authenticity. They didn't pretend to be perfect. They just showed up, flaws and all. So, if you're aiming for respect as a leader, remember, it's not about titles or being the loudest in the room. It's about consistency, empathy, and being real with the people you lead. The impact? It lasts far beyond any single moment or decision. True leaders inspire us not only to follow but to lead ourselves. And that's the legacy worth building.